Alright, sports fans, buckle up because I've got a wild Olympic story for you. Two of Jamaica's brightest track and field stars, Rojé Stona, Jamaica's gold medalist in the men's discus throw at the 2024 Paris Olympics, and Rajindra Campbell, bronze medalist at the men's shot put, also at the 2024 Paris Olympics, just made a jaw-dropping move. They're switching allegiance from Jamaica to Turkey. Yeah, you heard that right. These guys, both Olympic medalists, are now set to compete for Turkey, and honestly, the deal is next level. So why would Stona and Campbell leave their home country? Well, it's all about the money, and Turkey is rolling out the red carpet. Reports say each athlete snagged a $500,000 signing bonus, monthly stipends, and even six-figure rewards if they bag medals. That's the kind of cash that changes lives. But there's a catch. Under World Athletics rules, both are now banned from representing Jamaica for 3 years. That's a big blow, especially with the LA 2028 Olympics on the horizon. This isn't the first time Jamaica's lost stars to Turkey. Remember Jak Ali Harvey? But this move feels bigger. It's not just about two athletes, it's raising real questions. Is this fair play, or is it just countries buying medals? For Jamaica, it's a wake-up call. How can smaller nations hold on to their talent when major offers like this are on the table? And what does it mean for the future of Jamaican field events? So, what do you think? Should athletes chase the bag or represent their roots? Is this the new normal in sports, or should there be stricter rules? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I want to hear what you have to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the biggest stories in sports.